Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video, welcome to another vlog. It is currently 6 in the morning, and honestly I can't even remember the last time I was up this early, but here we are. We have a lot to catch up on today, and that's why we are up this early. But first thing I want to do this morning is to get ready and go to the gym. I haven't worked out in like a couple of days now, and my body is not feeling good. I just need to get out there and get my workouts in. We also do have a couple of other things to get done. I do want to clean up my room and my apartment, and also my car is also very nasty, and if I don't get nothing else done today, my car needs to be cleaned because it is so nasty. And we're just gonna run a couple errands, chit out, and just enjoy the day. So let's get ready and go to the gym.
What could he do for me? I told him that my love is free, but can you match me? I can do it all for myself. Want you, but really don't need help. So can you match me? I like luxury, I like fancy things. Shine on my body, live like royalty, treat you like a king. If I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody, born to live in luxury. La 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 lux. La 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 la. I'm serving rich Auntie Chloe B. I know my job is a blessing, but if you pay me. Rocks on my wrist, fur on my feet, setting the table in all the chic. Baby, come eat. I like luxury, I like fancy things. Shine on my body, live like royalty, treat you like a king. If I trust, but you must be worthy of the crown. I'm not just anybody, born to live in luxury. I work too hard, oh my luxury. We come so far, oh luxury. Cover these scars and diamonds, luxury. Every day I'm alive, it's giving lux, yeah.
So I just got done working out, and honestly my body feels so good. I feel so relaxed, and I'm just so glad that I got up and went for this workout today, because I was already contemplating if I should go or not, but I'm so glad that I did because I feel so amazing. I worked on my upper body, lower body, and I just did some leg walks and stuff like that, but it was good. It was really good for me, and I'm actually heading home now. And I was just thinking if I should get my car washed like on my way home, because it will make no sense to go home and then come back and get it done. Since it's already on my way home, I should probably just get it done and just get that out of the way. So we are going to go ahead and get my car cleaned up.
We come so far.
home, and I do feel like just hopping in the shower and take my shower, but I want to wait on that first because I still have to clean up my room and my apartment just a little bit. It's not very dirty, but I just want to do like a retouch and just keep the place clean. And afterwards, I'm going to go ahead and take my shower and head out. We are going to go to the pet store today because something tragic really happened to my fishes. One of my guppy males killed his entire family. Yeah, couple days ago I discovered like they were all like dying and stuff, and at first I thought maybe my bigger fishes were the one doing it, but come to find out he was the one killing them. And I was told the last time I was at the pet store to get 1 male and 4 females, but I think something went wrong and I got like multiple males and a few females. I think that's why it killed them. We are going to give it a second try. I'm going to go ahead and just get 4 females and then put it in and then see if it does kill any more of them. That's pretty much it for that. I'm going to start off with my room, fix my bed, vacuum the floor, clean my mirrors.
I work too hard, no mind. We come so far away. Covered these scars in diamonds. Every day I'm alive, it's giving lux. Yeah. La 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 la. Lux. La 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 la.
So bedroom's clean, living room's clean, bathroom is clean. The only one left for me to do is my bathtub, and that one I am going to do when I do take my shower, of which I am getting ready to go take my shower now. I'll just do it while I take my shower, and I'll see you guys after my shower. I'll be right back. Don't go nowhere. I'll be right back.
La 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 la. La 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 la. He asked what could he do for me. I told him that my love is free. But can you match me? I can do it all for myself. Want you but really don't need help. So can you match me?
So I'm all showered, dressed up, and ready to head out, but I still have to eat before going out. I'm starving after working out and doing the car wash. So I'm gonna go over and grab my food. It's already in the microwave. I'm just gonna grab it and eat. And so I got my food right here. I'm just going to have some jollof rice and some turkey. And I got myself a nice ice water because the weather is starting to get really hot, and I feel like a cold water would be a good idea to have before heading out inside the hot weather. Cheers.
Rich Auntie Chloe B. I know my job is a blessing, but F you, pay me. Rocks on my wrist, fur on my feet. Setting the table in all the chic. Baby, come eat. I like luxury. I like fancy things. Shine on my body. Live like royalty. Treat you like a king if I trust, but you must be worthy.
So we made it home from the pet store, and I am so excited. All the guppies that I got are literally pregnant. Like, guys, they are all pregnant, and I only know this because the last one that I got, she was the same way like this one's, and literally the next day she had 3 babies. Their stomach is like really big, and they are pregnant. I can't wait to see what's gonna happen. I'm going to go sit them in the tank. Oh my god, I can't stop looking at them. There's one particular one that is like ready to go. I can tell she's like ready to go. But the only thing is, I will probably not be home when this is gonna happen because I do have to go to work in a few hours. I'm just hoping they don't deliver any babies today or till tomorrow when I'm home. Are you guys excited? And this is my tank. And right over here is the 3 guppy babies. If you guys can see very well, they are like literally right there. They're still very little. They're just a couple weeks old, and I'm going to keep them in the nursery for at least 3 months, just so they can get big enough to join the other fishes in the bigger tank. Oh, so cute. So cute. And I am going to have more babies. Yeah, this is the male that killed all of the other females, and the other males, like, he's right there. So I guess I wasn't supposed to put more than one male in a tank with females, so I just got him more for females. So hopefully it doesn't do anything to them, because I was thinking it was my other fishes, but he's been in the tank. If these were the ones killing them, they'll probably kill him too, but nothing's happening to him. He looks good, looks fresh, so he's the suspect. Nothing you can tell me, he's the suspect. Hopefully this will fix the problem and they can all live happily ever after. These are my new female guppies. Look at her, she's pregnant. She's definitely pregnant. So my fishes are doing good. I'm still waiting to release them in the water, and it's currently 2:59 p.m. It's almost 3 o'clock, and it's almost time for me to have my little guitar lesson. My guitar is tuned. I'm going to try to play Horse with No Name by American. So this is the lyrics. Let me try to see if I can sing and play along. This will be my first ever sing along and play along. On the first part of the journey, I was looking at all the life. There were plants and birds and rocks and things. There were suns and hills and rings. The first thing I met was a fly with a... Oh my god, this is it's sweet and also hard, but I am loving it. Let's do this again. On the first part of the journey, I was looking at all the lives. There were birds and plants and rocks and things. There were sand and hills and rings. The first thing I met was a fly with a bus and the sky with no clouds. The heat was hot and the ground was dry, but the air was full of sound. I've been through the desert on a horse with no name. It felt good to be out of the rain. In the desert, in the desert, you can't remember your name, 'cause they ain't no one to give you no pain. La 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 la. La 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 la. That was good. That is the best that I've tried so far. That was freaking good. I know if I just keep practicing this, I am going to get way better than this, and I am going to be singing soon and playing the guitar so well. That is, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, I am so excited. It's my first time trying to sing along and play at the same time, and yeah, that was a good one for first time. That was a good one. And yeah, I am just gonna keep practicing this, and I'm gonna get better at it. Probably the next time I will show you guys or play with you guys, I am going to be so good. I know that. it was really a productive day today. I hope you guys did enjoy spending time with me, because I absolutely love spending time with you guys. And this is gonna be it for today's vlog. I hope you did enjoy watching this. If you did, you already know what to do. Go ahead, like, comment down below what you think. Also subscribe if you haven't done so already. And if this is the first time you come across my channel, you're so welcome to join the family. Go ahead, take a seat by subscribing and turning on your post notifications so you don't miss anything. Yeah guys, that is pretty much it for today's vlog. I hope you guys do enjoy watching this, and I wish you guys a great day. I'm gonna go ahead, see if I can take a few minutes or a few hours of nap before I head to work. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.